Have you ever held a plank for what felt like an eternity, muscles shaking, determined to beat the clock? It's a simple yet challenging exercise that tests your endurance and mental fortitude. The plank is more than just a test of willpower, it's a comprehensive workout that targets multiple areas of your body. You might be surprised to know that this seemingly simple exercise can transform your body in incredible ways. From sculpting your abs to strengthening your back, the plank offers a full-body workout that can lead to noticeable changes in your physique. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your hard work pay off in the mirror. The plank might look easy, but it's a powerhouse of a workout. When done correctly, it engages your core, shoulders, arms, and even your legs. Proper form is crucial to maximize the benefits and avoid injury. A fitness trainer can guide you to ensure you're doing it right, helping you to engage the right muscles and maintain the correct posture. It engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making it one of the most efficient ways to build strength and improve your overall fitness. In a fitness class, you can see how each person is working different muscle groups from their core to their shoulders and legs. The plank is a versatile exercise that fits into any workout routine, whether you're a beginner or an advanced athlete. And the best part, you can do it anywhere, anytime, with no equipment needed. Whether you're at home, in a park, or even on a yoga mat in a quiet setting, the plank is accessible to everyone. It's a convenient exercise that fits into any lifestyle, making it easy to stay consistent with your fitness goals. Think of the plank as your secret weapon to a stronger, healthier you. With just a few minutes a day, you can build a solid foundation of strength and stability. A confident smile while planking shows the sense of accomplishment and empowerment that comes with mastering this exercise. Fitness trainers often recommend the plank as a key component of a balanced workout regimen. In the next few sections, we'll delve into the remarkable benefits of incorporating this exercise into your daily routine. From improving your posture to enhancing your balance and coordination, the plank offers a multitude of advantages. As you hold the plank and watch the timer count down, you'll feel a sense of determination and resilience building within you. Get ready to discover how just a few minutes of planking can make a world of difference. Celebrating after finishing a plank is a testament to the hard work and dedication you've put in. With a stopwatch visible, you can track your progress and set new goals. A smile after a successful plank workout reflects the joy and satisfaction of achieving your fitness milestones. Stay tuned as we explore the transformative power of the plank and how it can elevate your fitness journey. Let's talk about your core, the powerhouse of your body. Your core is more than just a set of muscles. It's the central link in a chain connecting your upper and lower body. Whether you're hitting a tennis ball or mopping the floor, the necessary motions either originate in your core or move through it. No matter where the motion starts, it ripples upward and downward to adjoining links of the chain. It's not just about six-pack abs. Your core includes deep muscles that support your spine, improve balance, and power your movements. These muscles include the transverse abdominis, which acts like a corset around your midsection, the multifidus, which stabilizes your vertebrae, and the pelvic floor muscles, which support your organs. Together, they form a complex network that ensures your body moves efficiently and safely. The plank is like a supercharger for your core. This simple yet effective exercise engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making it a comprehensive workout for your midsection. Unlike crunches or sit-ups, which primarily target the rectus abdominis, planks work your entire core, including the deeper muscles that are often neglected. When you hold a plank, you engage your abdominal muscles, obliques, and lower back muscles. This engagement is crucial for developing a balanced and strong core. The plank also activates your glutes and shoulders, making it a full-body exercise that enhances overall strength and stability. This isometric hold, meaning your muscles are working without changing length, builds incredible strength and stability. Isometric exercises like the plank are particularly effective because they require your muscles to maintain a constant tension, which improves endurance and muscle tone. Over time, this can lead to better performance in other physical activities and a reduced risk of injury. A strong core is essential for everything we do, from bending down to tie our shoes to maintaining good posture while sitting at a desk. Good posture is not just about standing tall. It's about aligning your body in a way that puts the least strain on your muscles and ligaments. A strong core helps you achieve this alignment, reducing the risk of back pain and other musculoskeletal issues. By strengthening your core through planking, you're building a solid foundation for better overall fitness. A strong core enhances your ability to perform a wide range of activities, from lifting weights to running marathons. It also improves your balance and coordination, making everyday tasks easier and more efficient. Next, we'll explore how a stronger core translates into improved posture and reduced back pain. Improved posture not only makes you look more confident, but also helps you breathe better and reduces the strain on your spine. Reduced back pain means you can enjoy a more active lifestyle without the limitations that come with chronic discomfort. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the benefits of a strong core and how you can incorporate core strengthening exercises into your daily routine. Have you ever noticed how good posture can make you look and feel more confident? It's like an instant boost to your self-esteem. When you stand tall, you project an image of strength and assurance. People are naturally drawn to those who exude confidence, and good posture is a key element in making that happen. It's not just about aesthetics. Good posture is crucial for your health. Proper alignment of your spine ensures that your body functions optimally. It helps in reducing the risk of chronic pain, especially in the back and neck. Healthcare professionals emphasize the importance of maintaining a healthy spine to prevent long-term issues. Planking can work wonders for your posture. This simple yet effective exercise targets your core muscles, which are essential for maintaining a strong and stable spine. By incorporating planks into your routine, you can significantly improve your posture over time. By strengthening your core muscles, you provide better support for your spine, helping you stand taller and straighter. A strong core acts like a natural corset, holding everything in place and reducing the strain on your back muscles. When your core is strong, it takes the pressure off your back muscles, preventing slouching and promoting proper spinal alignment. This not only helps in maintaining good posture, but also reduces the risk of developing back pain and other related issues. Imagine standing tall, shoulders back, with a newfound sense of confidence. Good posture can transform not just how you look, but also how you feel about yourself. It's a powerful change that can impact various aspects of your life, from your professional interactions to your personal relationships. That's the power of a strong core, brought to you by the Humble Plank. This exercise is a cornerstone of many fitness routines because of its effectiveness in building core strength and improving posture. But the benefits don't stop there. Planking also enhances your overall physical fitness. It engages multiple muscle groups, including your shoulders, arms, and legs, providing a full-body workout. Let's move on to how planking can alleviate back pain. By strengthening your core, you create a more stable and supportive structure for your spine. This can help in reducing the strain on your back muscles, leading to less pain and discomfort. Many people find that regular planking helps them manage and even prevent back pain, making it a valuable addition to their fitness routine. Back pain is a common ailment that affects millions of people. While there are various causes, weak core muscles are often a contributing factor. The plank exercise can be a game changer for back pain relief. By strengthening your core, you provide better support for your spine, taking the strain off your back muscles. A strong core acts like an internal corset, stabilizing your back and reducing the risk of injury or pain. Plus, planking can help improve your flexibility, which is essential for a healthy back. Imagine a life with less back pain, where you can move freely and comfortably. That's the potential of incorporating planks into your daily routine. Section 5. Mind over matter. The mental perks of planking. Believe it or not, the benefits of planking extend beyond the physical. This powerful exercise can also have positive effects on your mental health. When you hold a plank, you're challenging your body and mind. You learn to focus on your breath, quiet your thoughts, and build mental resilience. The physical effort involved in planking releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that have mood-boosting effects. So, the next time you're feeling stressed or anxious, try holding a plank for a few minutes. You might be surprised by how much better you feel afterward. Now, let's uncover even more incredible benefits of planking. Section 6. But wait, there's more! Strengthening your core, improving posture, and reducing back pain are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the benefits of planking. This versatile exercise can also boost your metabolism. Engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously burns more calories even after your workout is complete. Improve balance and coordination. Planking challenges your stability and requires your body to work in unison. Enhance flexibility. The plank pose stretches your hamstrings, arches, and shoulders, promoting greater flexibility. As you can see, the plank is a full-body workout disguised as a simple exercise. Ready to experience the transformative power of planking? Start with short holds and gradually increase the duration as you get stronger. Focus on maintaining proper form, a straight line from head to heels, to maximize the benefits and prevent injury. Remember, consistency is key. Aim to incorporate planks into your daily routine, even if it's just for a minute or two at a time. You can plank while watching TV, waiting for the coffee to brew, or even during commercial breaks. Every little bit counts. Think of planking as a daily challenge, a small investment in your long-term health and well-being. It's a chance to test your limits, build strength, and reap the numerous rewards. So, are you ready to accept the challenge? Start planking your way to a stronger, healthier, and happier you. Take a moment to reflect on your current exercise routine. Are you incorporating planks regularly? If not, what's holding you back? Share your thoughts, experiences, and goals in the comments below. Let's inspire and motivate each other on this journey to better health. The plank exercise might seem simple, but its benefits are far-reaching, from strengthening your core to improving posture, reducing back pain, and boosting your mood. The plank is a true powerhouse of a workout. So what are you waiting for? Start incorporating planks into your daily routine and experience the transformative power of this amazing exercise. Your body and mind will thank you for it.